Friends, we all think that a startup business requires a large factory, heavy machinery, and investments worth millions of rupees. But the truth is, the business world has changed completely today. Yes, today's business does not mean a smoke emitting factory or large scale manufacturing, but there are many businesses you can start with a small setup, minimal machinery, and a limited budget. Also, you can start them in a small space like your home garage or in a small setup of a factory and then manufacture your products not only to serve the local market but also the global market. So if you also want to start a future-ready manufacturing business, in today's video, we're going to share 8 of the best manufacturing business ideas which you can start small and take to the international market. Don't forget to watch this video until the end. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Come on, let's get into it. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. USB-C type fast charging cable unit. In the fast-paced world that we live in today, fast charging cables are not accessories that you can do without, but something that you use every day. Yes, from smartphones to laptops, power banks to car chargers, almost all of them are using USB-C fast charging. Therefore, you can make cables with a robust braided construction, reinforced connectors, appropriate chipsets for fast charging protocols, strict quality control, and subsequently sell to brands at the global level. If a brand trusts your reliability, there is strong potential for them to stick with you. Number 2 is natural dye extract manufacturing. The textile and fashion industries have used synthetic dyes for decades because they are cheaper and faster. But today, due to sustainability, regulations, and consumer awareness, they are shifting towards natural dye extracts. In this scenario, you can make natural dyes collected from plants, barks, roots, flowers, and fruit wastes like indigo leaves, turmeric roots, pomegranate peels, madder roots, and marigold flowers. Moreover, you don't need a huge factory to get started, and once a fashion brand or textile exporter finds a dye shade that suits them, they tend to stick with the same supplier. This can create opportunities for long-term relationships and repeat orders. Number 3. Biodegradable nursery pots manufacturing. Today, the traditional plastic nursery pot are being eliminated in many areas as they create waste that takes a long time to decompose. Biodegradable nursery pots are the perfect solution to this issue, and that is why their demand is increasing at such a rapid rate. Therefore, you can make them out of materials such as coir, paper, pulp, agricultural waste, or biodegradable composite materials. This does not require much machinery or complex technical skills. You can start on a small scale and supply to local nurseries, garden centers, landscaping companies, and urban farming projects. As the quality improves, export opportunities also open up. Number 4. Pellets manufacturing from bio-waste. Every day, sawdust, rice husk, coconut shell powder, groundnut shells, sugarcane, bagasse, and agricultural wastes are discarded. But this waste is in fact a sought-after fuel in many industries. Yes, you can harvest this bio-waste from the ground cheaply, dry it, grind it, and compress it into uniform pellets from a pellet machine. These pellets are used as an eco-friendly fuel in boilers, brick kilns, textile units, food processing factories, and even power plants. Also, you can start small with a basic pellet machine and a shed, supplying to the nearby industries. Once you can maintain a consistent quality, then you can scale up the production capacity and even export the pellets to countries that use bioenergy a lot. Number 5 is small leather goods manufacturing business. When people hear of the leather industry, they often think of large factories and luxury brands. But in reality, it's not huge leather products, but rather smaller leather goods that often have higher profit margins. Yes, wallets, card holders, keychains, belts, passport covers, laptop sleeves, and small bags are everyday items. And there is a constant demand for these in the marketplaces and even online. So you can purchase sheets of leather or faux leather, cut them with hand tools or small cutting machines, sew them into smaller leather goods, and add branding and finishing touches. Then you can sell them directly through platforms like Instagram or your website and marketplaces like Amazon, or supply them to corporates as gifts for employees. Number 6. Recycled plastic storage products. As the world moves towards a circular economy and sustainability, the demand for recycled plastic storage products is growing rapidly. This includes products such as storage bins, crates, trays, and organizers that are widely used in homes, warehouses, retail stores, agriculture, and logistics. Therefore, you can produce storage products for different requirements using injection molding or the blow molding and trimming process with recycled plastic granules. At first, you can begin with some high-demand SKUs and increase your product range over time. Customers often purchase in bulk and in the B2B segments, which is known for repeat customers, creating the possibility of consistent reorders. Number 7. Doormats manufacturing from textile waste. Every garment factory produces waste, cuttings, rejected fabric, and leftover rolls. Most people see this as a disposable problem, but smart manufacturers see this as a raw material. And yes, it can be transformed into useful welcome mats used in homes, shops, and various other places. Moreover, textile waste is inexpensive and often available in bulk. So you can start a doormat manufacturing business at home using it. If you're looking for a manufacturing business that also addresses an environmental problem, this has long-term potential. Number 8. Adhesive tape manufacturing. Finally, let's take a look at a business that nobody really thinks about, but that almost every industry is dependent upon. Yes, it's the adhesive tape manufacturing business. Think about it. Electronics, construction, packaging, automotive, furniture, even the healthcare industry. All these industries cannot exist without some form of tape. So you can make double-sided tapes, foam tapes, thermal tapes, insulation tapes, vibration dampening tapes, and high-strength industrial tapes. Moreover, you don't need to have a large factory to start. If you're looking for a low-profile manufacturing business with potential for steady demand, adhesive tape manufacturing is one of the most underrated opportunities. So friends, if you truly want to start small and build a big business, these manufacturing ideas represent some of the interesting opportunities available today. Moreover, you can start with a small unit, minimal machinery, and local customers, and then expand your business once the quality and demand are proven. And these business ideas are not easy, but they are genuine. However, to successfully launch any of these businesses, you need to thoroughly learn the process. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.